Hello everybody. I'm just going to do a quick update on my Worm Factory 360. It's been a few weeks since I have put any feeding into this tray, and you can see by those two coffee filters that that's all I've pretty much given them. And we can see some worms crawling up the sides. So underneath here we see lots and lots of worms going through the filter. There's still lots of coffee here, and if I just scoop this up, we can see tons and tons of worms, a lot of different sizes. So I'll just give the bin a little bit of a mix here. And then hopefully in the next day or so I can come in and give it another good feeding. Moisture is not too bad. Kind of disturb the, no food left in this whole thing. Bought a lot of volume. Oh wait, there was avocado shell. And lots of castings and worms. That's about all I have found. So yeah, it's time to give this a feeding. Hopefully we can do that. I'm going to try and do it for tomorrow. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.